Okay, so like I just said, we're going to go through all those questions you did yesterday. Some of you guys did super awesome. Some of you guys could have done better. Um, but I have it up on my other screen and we're going to go through them together. And I know there was like a mistake or two on the quizzes, so don't panic. It wasn't for a grade, it's just to see. So I know how you guys are doing. So if you didn't get 100%, that's okay. But I want you guys to be working out these problems with me. The first one, 86 plus 4. You have to set it up. You have to add it. 86 and 4 hundredths plus 4 and 4 hundredths. We should be able to fly through these technically because you've already done them once. But I can see who did what on those problems. I can even see how long it took you to do those problems. So some of you that rushed. You don't need to show me your board till I say show me your board. I want everyone to have a chance to solve it. All right, let's show me your boards. We have to line it up. The 4 goes under the 6, the 0 goes under the 0, and the 4 goes under the 0. So if I add it up, 8, 0, carry. You should have had 90 and Morgan, you did not write down the right problem, girlfriend. Have 90 and 8 hundredths. 90 and 8 hundredths. Corgan, do you see what you did wrong? Because you did not at all write down the right problem. You should be working these problems out with me. I should be able to see your board. All right, problem number 2. This is another one people did really good on. Oh, oops. 18 and 72 hundredths plus 7 and 9 tenths. Make sure we're writing down the right problem. Look at the board. It's there. All right, furry friends, show me your boards. We have to line it up. The 7 goes underneath the 8. The 9 goes underneath the 7. There's nothing to add to the 2. So 2 plus nothing is 2. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry. I put my decimal nice and big so everyone can see it. 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 1 is 16 and carry. 26 and 62 hundredths should be your answer. I see some right answers. Fabulous. Next problem. All right, this one we had some tricky ones. Some people, not everyone really got this one right. So it is 3 and 89 thousandths plus 4 and 59 hundredths. Make sure you're lining it up correctly. All right, friends, let's test it out. I think a lot of us got this one wrong simply. Oh, wait. Mrs. Kneifel told you the wrong problem. Oh, you know what? That's okay. We're just going to do the problem that I wrote down because I wrote it down wrong. So that's okay. We're just going to do this problem. Anyways, 4 goes underneath the 3, 5, and 9. 9 plus nothing is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry 6, 7. Should be 7 and 679 thousandths should be your answer. All right, now we're going to do the problem that we actually were supposed to do the first time. Because Mrs. Kneifel wrote it wrong. All right, this was the problem I wanted to do the first time. 0.89 thousandths plus 4 and 59 hundredths. This is our next problem, my friends. I should see everyone doing it. All right. So anyways, on this actual problem, the one I wanted to do the first time, some of us got it wrong because you put the decimal in the wrong spot. So you have to make sure to line it up. And some of us just lined it up wrong. So 9 plus nothing is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry 6, 4. Fabulous, guys. Looking good. Make sure you're drawing your decimal nice and big so I can see it. I don't want a wimpy decimal. All right. So this question, next one said find the sum. And the sum is just an answer, okay? That's all it is. But some of us got this one wrong as well. $27 and 63 hundredths plus 15 and 4 hundredths.
Miss Kneifel.
Yes.
On my quizzes or Quizlet, I don't know, I think this is my quizzes for your thingy. I was adding them and I got a different answer, so I just guessed because I didn't really know. I added the numbers up, and I got a different answer, and the answer wasn't on there, so I guessed and I got it right.
Exactly. That's what I talked about in the beginning. I said there were a few mistakes on the actual quizzes, which is why we're going through it. That's what I said when we started. Well, besides just to see how you did. I don't remember exactly which ones had the mistake, but it could have been this one. I don't remember which one. Okay. But regardless, we're doing it now. All right, it looks like some of us are done. We got to line it up. The 15 goes underneath the 27. The 0 goes underneath the 6. The 4 goes underneath the 3. 7, 6. My decimal, nice and big. 12, carry 4. 42 and 67 hundredths. How'd we do? Show me your boards. I want to see everyone's boards. All right, cool. Moving on, friends. Seven and 8/10 plus 1 and 34 hundredths. All right, this one's a little bit simple, so we're just going to go right ahead. Add it up. 4 plus nothing is 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry 7, 8, 9, 9 and 14 hundredths. Show me your boards. Good job. I'm seeing right answers. All right, looking good, guys. I see lots of right answers. All right. Let's see what's next on our list. First off, I didn't make it, so it wasn't my mistake. Five and 49 hundredths plus 5/10. Add it up, add it up, add it up. Marissa. Marissa. All right, this was the one I think that had the mistake. Which, like I said, it's totally fine. All right. So all we got to do is line up the decimal. 9 plus nothing is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 5. 5 and 99 hundredths. You did not add correctly, Mr. Nolan. All right. The rest you guys did really good on. So we're going to move on a little bit. Let's see if I can give you guys a little tricky one. Tricky. But I want the estimation and I want the actual answer, okay? I want the estimation and I want the actual answer. You should have two answers for me, the estimation and the actual answer. Nolan, what could he possibly be clicking? No one else is clicking anything. All right, let's add it up. So we have to line it up. I put the biggest number on top. So the 6 goes underneath the 3, 0.79. 2 plus nothing is, oh wait, you know what? Backtrack. Let's do the estimation first. 93, I want to estimate to the nearest whole number. So 4 is not bigger than 5, so I'm going to make it 93 plus, 7 is bigger than 5, so I'm going to make the 6 a 7, which equals 100. So my estimation is 100. My actual answer is going to be, we'll see, 6.79. 2 plus nothing is 2. 9 plus nothing is 9. 7 plus 11, or 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 10. 100 and 192 thousandths. So your estimation should have been just plain 100. Nolan, you're not even looking at your board. How do you know if you got the right answer? Looks like you're doing something you shouldn't be doing. Fabulous. All right, next one. Can you please write the number on the board that is in the hundreds place? Hundreds. What number is in the hundreds place? Hundreds. Hundreds. Ooh, Cadence, you're the first one that I saw had the right answer. Gage, you have the right answer. Hundreds. Corgan, you do not have the right answer. Hundreds. I'm seeing some wrong answers. All right, so hundreds, regular old hundreds. Is this 8? Because we have ones, tens, hundreds. Because this is 4,823. So you should have wrote 8. You should have wrote 8. 8 was in the hundreds place. All right, new one. What number is in the 10th spot? Tenths. What number is in the 10th spot? What number is in the 10th spot? Mia, you're correct. You may put your board down. Julian, try again. Corgan, Landon, put your board down. Evan, you're incorrect. Try again, Angelina. Nolan, you're good. Kaden, you're good. Cadence, you're good. Julian, try again. The tenths spot. T-E-N-T-H-S, tenths. The tenths comes right after the decimal. Remember, there's no ones after the decimal. Go straight to tenths. So you should have had 3. Your answer should have been 3. All right, next one. All right, this is a greater than or less than. Which one's your alligator eating? Greater than or less than. The alligator wants to eat the bigger one because alligators are hungry, hungry hippos, but they're alligators, so that's a bad analogy. Evan, you're correct. They are not equal. You are incorrect, Nolan. These are not equal. Paisley, you're good. Landon, you're good. Blake, I think you need to double check. Which one's bigger? It wants to eat the big one. It's hungry, hungry. We have 4 and 78 hundredths, or we have 478 thousandths. This one doesn't even have a whole number. Its whole number is 0, so it is clearly the tiny one. We want to eat the one where the 4 is the whole number. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. All right, next one. By the way, it's much easier when you guys actually draw, like write the number too. Sometimes it's kind of hard to tell which way you want it to face because it's confusing looking through a computer screen. All right, tell me which one's bigger. Look at where the decimal is. We have 52 and 23 hundredths, or we have 592 and 3/10. 500 is clearly bigger than 59, so the alligator wants to eat the 592. Your alligator should be like this. Nom, 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 nom. Good job, peeps. Looks like most of us got that one right. All right. I need an estimation and I need the actual answer. Estimation and the actual answer. What do you mean you can't see? You just have to look at my screen. Why aren't you shouldn't just make me so I'm the person? I don't even have my comments up, so. For some reason, my comments are not showing up. So if you said anything, then you had a question. Sorry, I did not see it. My comments are like frozen. You're estimating and you're adding. You're estimating and adding. You're doing both problems on your board. Isaac, we need to, we're not doing subtraction because Mrs. Jones isn't doing subtraction yet. Well, we're not doing it today. We'll start with subtraction tomorrow. Isaac, you should not be doing things on here that are not, Jameson and Isaac, this is for questions. All right. Estimation, 32. Look at the 4. That's smaller than 5, so that's going to stay 32 plus 324. I'm going to look at the 8, and it's bigger, so I'm going to round up. 325 plus 35, or plus 32. I wrote the wrong number. Plus 32 is 357. Mrs. Kneifel is losing it. 357. My estimation is 357. Now let's actually add it up. You have to make sure you put the bigger number on top. Otherwise, it'll be confusing. Well, we're not doing subtraction today because Mrs. Kneifel doesn't want to do subtraction today. We can do subtraction tomorrow. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry. 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. And carry. Bring down your decimal nice and big. 6, 7, 5, 3. Actual answer should be 557 and 36 hundredths. Estimation, 337 or 357. Show me your boards, my lovely friends. Show me your boards. Friends, future reference. You only need to answer it one time in my chat. Do not answer it more than once. Do not make weird faces and stuff in my chat. That's not what the chat is for. We are just about out of time. Tomorrow we will probably do some subtraction. Make sure you, if you're an at-home student, make sure you go to the live math lesson today. This will be posted. The recording will be, so you can watch it anytime if you need to. Nolan, once again, I feel like you're doing something you shouldn't be doing. All right, my friends, I hope you have a lovely day. I will see you all in reading class. We're going to go right now. What? Not if you have your own, but right now I do not have time for that, sir. Maybe in a little bit. What? Okay. Bye, guys. Hop off.
Wow.